Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you with you two different websites that you can use to make money utilising the platform eBay. Now notice the word in there, I said utilise. I'm not going to be teaching you how to sell on eBay and do listings because you can just simply go ahead and find that out yourself. Today I'm going to share these awesome websites with you which you can literally get up and running today and you can make some decent money with this. Now look, really quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you like simple and genuine ways to make money online, head over to my blog. It's this one on the screen. We have Making Money Online from Home, affiliate marketing, YouTube and lots more. So hopefully there'll be something for everyone on there. So let's talk about today's video and we're going to be looking at two websites. Now the first website I'm going to share with you is this one over here. Now I first came across this probably about 10 or 15 years ago. I'm showing my age there, but this website here, as you can see, it's called Fat Fingers, and what this allows you to do is this will go and scour eBay for any spelling mistakes or typos you can see here. And how you make money with this is it's really good. So you can go ahead and literally, it's just 3 steps here. So you don't even have to sign up to this or put in an email or anything. You just come over to this website, Fat Fingers. You then come down here and you select your country. So we'll just click on here. And then number 2, we're going to search for an item. Now for this, because we're utilising spelling mistakes and typos, I used to make some pretty decent money using branded clothing, or any brand. So I use like Adidas, NutriBullet and things like that. So I'm going to type in a search term here. So let's just go with Adidas or Adidas, depending on how you want to say that. And then we're going to click on Find. And then what happens is it just takes a second, and then you can see here it says click to view on eBay. So I'm going to click on here and it's opening up into eBay. Now look up here, you can see all of these variations. Sorry, let me just move this over. Let me get rid of this down here and move this back over here. So now look, it's brought up all of these different spelling variations, and you'd be incredibly surprised at the number of items that you can find on eBay which people have misspelled. So I mean, look at this one here. This is just that's ridiculously wrong. This one over here is wrong. I mean, again, spelling. Look, there's hundreds of these, and you can make some really good money with this, because what happens is, because people have put a spelling mistake on, this isn't showing up when people are actually searching for the correct search term or the actual brand. I mean, look again, ridiculous. This one over here, look, it's got a starting bid at £12. I mean, I'm in the UK, so this is UK pricing, but this here, starting price £12, no bids. Look at this one here, look, no bids. Come further on the page, we've got 1 bid here. Come further on the page, but basically this website over here, this Fat Fingers, it's absolutely awesome. So really simple, just come over to here, type in the country which you're looking to find, these misspelled items, type in the name in here and then click on Find, and then after about 30 seconds you just click on View, click to view on eBay, and then it'll go over to eBay and it'll open up all of these for you. And then basically once you go ahead and you purchase something from here, or you pick this up, you can if you wanted to, you could resell it on eBay. If you wanted to go down that route, you could go ahead and sell these on car boots, or the local market stalls and things like that. You could flip this onto Amazon. You can do this on Facebook Marketplace and many more different ways. So it's a great tool. Now look, I'm not going to say to you, you'll find bargains every single day, but previously I used to look at this, once in the morning and once on an evening, and I'd, find some items and then I'd buy them, and then most of the time I used to just flip them off straight away. Like literally, a lot of the time I would put them on a Facebook Marketplace and just sell them that way. And sometimes, and being even cheekier, what I would do is once I bought an item on here, I would then send it to my buyer over on Facebook Marketplace, or sometimes I even sold it again onto eBay. But it's a great tool to use and it's free, and you'd actually be very surprised at the number of people who misspell things over on eBay. And you can see this is just page 1. How many pages is there? A lot, I'm guessing. So that is the website there. That is called Fat Fingers. This one here, and look, I'll drop links below for you, so don't worry if I'm going a little bit too quick. The next website I'm going to share with you is this one over here. Now, this website is called Barecrazycom. Now, what you can actually find over on here is you can see, look, local bargain search. Search for new bargains near you, which either can't be sent in the mail or will cost lots to send. So basically, this is for people on eBay whereby it's a local listing and they're literally you've got to go and physically pick this up to purchase this. But on eBay, people aren't looking for listings like that. They're just looking for the cheapest and the quickest way. So using this website here, you can find some incredible bargains. And what you do on here is you simply put a postcode in here, or you can put in part of a postcode and it will bring up the area. So let me just go with, I'll tell you, I'm just going to type in, let's just type in HU. Let's just go with HU4. Okay, and I'll click on search now. And then it takes a second. And then if you don't put the full postcode in, don't worry. So you can see here, look, HU4 isn't a valid postcode. So we've performed a search using HU4 1AA, whatever that is. Now you can scroll down here and look at all of these items here. And a lot of the time on here as well, what I found is most of them don't even have bids. So I mean, like, what is this? Vintage American 45-gallon drum. It would suit a man cave. Look, free pickup. It ends in 2 minutes and 29 seconds. No bids. And a lot of the items on here don't have bids. So this website here, you can use this, in your local area. If you're prepared to travel, you can put in a different postcode. And you can, literally, look, none of these here have got bids on them. None. And they're all ending, within the next, well, it shows you here 14 hours. You just keep going down. So you can come through this website here and you can find some amazing deals and amazing bargains. Now, if I come back up to the top here, the other tip, what I would say to you as well is, if you find an item on here, so for argument's sake, let's just say you was interested in this this 45-gallon drum here. If you notice, that it ends, and this seller's listed it on eBay but they've had no interest on there, what you can actually do is you can click here and it will take you over to eBay and you can message the seller and say, look, I saw this item, I know that it's now ended, would you be prepared to take £40 for this? And you'd be pleasantly surprised at the number of people who will accept a bit of like 20%, a bit of haggling room on this, because ultimately they want to get rid of it. They've tried listing it on eBay, it hasn't sold, and along come you and randomly you're just offering them some money. So again, it won't work every single time, but it's another way that you can make money. The other thing what you can do on this website here is you enter a postcode. On the left hand side here, you can also enter a keyword and you can also filter how far you're prepared to travel. So you can do that on here, and you can play around with pricing as well if you want to. But look, that's just 2 websites that you can use to go ahead and find some of these deals and bargains over on eBay. This one is called Barecrazy.com and the first website was called fatfingers.co.uk. So look, I'll drop links to everything below for you, but look, if you don't like this method to make money online, then you'll find hundreds more over on my YouTube, over on my blog here, and also I have a members area where you can get lots more free resources to earning online. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.